Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Penguin Gaming here, and today we're going to be playing some more Battle Cats. Um, as you can see, I've been making a lot of progress in between episodes. The reason is because I was making episodes, but then my recording failed and all that stuff. So, right now, Wildcat Slots is back on. Got my free cat food. Excellent selection isn't actually that good. I mean, some of them are pretty good. I want Hayabusa. No. $7.50 cat food. Here we go. Disappointing. Also disappointing. Disappointing. Really disappointing. Okay. That's fine. Holy crap! Let's go! I would take an Uber. Another level for Swordmaster Cat. Witch Cat. Toaster Cat. Or Cat Toaster. Cat Toaster sounds weird because it sounds like you're throwing a cat in a toaster. Black zombies, savage blow, prevents enemies 100% slow, area attack, long range, high rate. Okay, that's good. Paid 30 cat food for a shaman. Well, I have 11 lucky tickets now, so. Okay. 1 second. Just moving position to my better gaming chair. You know what they say, the better the gaming chair, the better the gamer. Lucky cat caps. Let's see what little cats we have. No little cats. Okay then. Time for lucky capsules, and I got 12. 10,000 XP. Yes, I'll take all the littles. Little axe and little bird. Let's go. Little cat. Nice. 30,000 XP. Let's go. Why does it say nice instead of great? Seriously? Yeah, I agree. Nice. Speed up suck. Nobody use. I don't want bird cat. CPU. I'll take more CPU. I mean, I have little to none CPU. I want cat jobs, though. Okay, that's actually useful. Yes! I love treasure radar. 2 more. Give me a little Titan. I want Manic Titan. Well, storage. Where's the Uber? Oh yeah, there my Uber is. We don't know. Oh yeah, I haven't even unlocked Cat God. Let's do that. Boom. Oh yeah, my 3 little cats. Rare, wheel, bishop, and witch. Also swordsman. Wait, what? I thought I already had. Oh yeah, he's very powerful. 7-foot frame. Rats along his frame. Cat toaster. Oob ya. Oob. Upgrades the Uber. Black zombies. Let's try the black citadel. But first, let's get our free cat food. Oh wait, it's a special. Little cat. Manic. Manics are the best type of cats in the game, boys. Filter. Where? Alien Red. Oh my god. How many anti-reds are there in this game? Well, I guess red, besides traitless, red was the first type. So, yeah, look. Savage blow, large amount of damage, zombie killer, slow, area attack. I just want to see this thing attack. Okay, that is cool. Yes, return to the main menu. Okay, so there are different citadel stages, and they give a ton of XP, and they're very powerful. Let's do a black citadel. Okay, let me find my best anti-black loadout. Equip. Missions. Cat Guide. Filter. Black. Wait. Amioji Gunslinger. Flower and whatever her name is. Okay. Equip. Amioji. Oh yeah, flower. That's special. Yeah, I also have cat burger, which is meat shield. Because the burger patty, meat shield. Get it? Right, my jokes suck. Kidding, my jokes are kind of good. That price is insane. I'll never get my anti-black Uber out. Now let me equip some stuff. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Time for cow cat. Cow cat. Now I'm gonna need rare. I'll put in a swordsman cat. I need a fast attack speed cat. Let's start. Okay, Black Citadel. What's going on? Rich cat, my one enemy. Oh, please don't say it's a black kangaroo. Those things are heckin' annoying. Oh, right, this thing is white. Oh, shoot. It's gonna unleash I should have gotten a ton of cheap spammable cats. Shoot. Ugh. Oh. Seriously, black doggo, black doggo. Oh, fuck. Flipping kidding me. Oh, I want to try out my new Uber. And on the main menu, Battle Cat's Rising. Check time, 12 minutes, that's fine. Let me go back to a creep. Okay, that's more manageable. I no, it's a lot of backflipping penguins. Oh wait, I literally have 2 more meat shields. Boom. My entire lineup of meat shields. See, my most expensive. That's my entire wall of meat shields. I'm gonna get cat burger because it's moderate time. Okay. Well-rounded army. Sorry. I know I shouldn't be smelling cat food. Great. Well, it's good for a good cause. Max out the upper reaches. Increase the rate I gain money at. I need accounting levels. Yeah, I'll take more health. Okay, that was a good bit of spent stuff. So okay, it's gonna be a while. Let's get a shield. Literally. Ton of meat shields. No, I have an entire meat wall. Okay, I can build up some stuff on. I like the money coming in. Oh wait, that's too many Zumos. Damn it. God damn it. I'm gonna just get that. What do you mean? Oh, you wipe. Money. Okay, that's a lot of money. Okay. If they go, I can't even get my herb. No, this is done a backflip. Come on, there's no right damn ball. Oh wait, this thing is slow. Oh, yeah, yep. I might have. Okay. I like that I'm seeing, even though they're tearing through people. I'll see. Okay, that's a good Uber. Down the end.